Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about amazing world of birds. Through the ages, man has lifted his eyes to the open skies with amazement to look at the flying creature. The birds are probably the most easily recognized of all animals. In this, we will identify the different type of birds. The picture is also given and the description has given. On the basis of that, we had to recognize these birds. Very first bird which has given to us that it is a large water bird. It is a large water bird with a pouch below its beak to store food. That is the thing. That is the first picture, and we had to identify, and that is the description. So, what is the name of that bird? The name of that bird is pelican. It is called pelican. Now, the second description, it is a large wading bird that hunts for fish in shallow lakes and rivers. While hunting, it stands it stands in the water, mostly on one leg, and pretend to be sleeping. So that is the strategy of that bird to hunt its prey. So what is the name of that? The name of that bird is called heron. That is the name of the bird is called heron. The third picture has shown to us and the description of that bird has given to us. It is the biggest of all seabirds, having a wingspan of any bird 3.7 meter across. That is known to be the description of this bird. What is the name of that bird? That bird is called albatross. The name of that bird is known to be as albatross. Now, the fourth one, it is a migratory bird that keeps its mouth open while flying to catch insects. It takes short naps during its flight. That is the speciality or feature of this bird, that it can easily take the short naps during the flight. What is the name of that bird? The name of that bird is frigate bird. The name of that bird is known to be as frigate bird. That is called the frigate bird. Now we will move on to the next bird. The description of the next bird has given to us. The bird flies over the sea and hardly lands on water. It chases other birds and forces them to drop their food. So that is the another speciality of this bird, that is also seabird, but that is different from the previous bird, which we call the frigate bird. The previous bird was frigate bird, but that is different from the frigate bird. So what is the name of that bird? That means that bird. The name of that bird is swift. That is the name of that bird is called swift. Now, the next bird in this figure has given to us. The bird builds a wall across the opening of its nest and then seal itself in it and bring up its chicks there. What is the speciality and description of that bird has given to us? The bird builds a wall across the opening of its nest and then seal itself in it and brings up its chicks there, and that is the picture of that bird. So we want to identify what is the name of that bird. The name of that bird is red-billed hornbill. That is the name has given. That is called red-billed hornbill. Next bird we have got, the description of that bird has given to us, that is, it is one of the tiniest bird in existence. It weighs less than 35 gram. That means that is the bird. And what is the speciality of that bird? That is the tiniest bird, and it weighs less than the 35 grams. So you can imagine that is how much less of the weight of this bird is. So what is the name of that interesting bird is? That is called island rail. What is the name of that bird is? It is called island rail. Next bird which described in this, that is called, it is a large ground bird with a long tail. The bird is killed for sport and food. This bird is killed for sport and food. That means that bird is especially preferred for a food, and it is killed for the sport purpose. The bird hunting game is there, so that's why the people are almost kill that bird. So what is the name of that bird? The name of that bird is called pheasant. The name of that bird is called pheasant. And what is the speciality of that bird? It is a large ground bird with a long tail. This bird is killed for sport and food. So once again, I want to repeat what are the names of the different birds in the given picture. So once again, I want to repeat. In first picture, the bird which has shown to us, the name of that is called pelican. Name of the second bird is called heron. In third picture, the name of the bird is called albatross. In fourth picture, we have the name of the bird is called frigate bird. In fifth picture, we have the name of the bird is called swift. Sixth one, the name of the sixth one is red-billed hornbill. That is the name, red-billed hornbill. Seventh is island rail, and eighth is the name is called pheasant. And in this also it has given the help box also. With the help of you can easily find out the names. So that is the description of amazing worlds of birds. I hope you understand, and I hope you understand this. So that is the part of the general knowledge. So I hope you understand, and thank you very much.